Hello everybody, this is Kitty and the Beast and my name is Nika. Today's video is experimental. I'm going to try to combine techniques to make polymer clay and glass work together. I prepare a round base, flattening it and making it even. Then I mark 6 rays that will be our snowflake later. And then I start to attach pieces of glass one by one, directed as the 6 rays I've already marked here. I try to press them well into the polymer clay, because I need them to hang really good there. Then some minor decorations. And then I try to press them even more into the polymer clay. Now I want to decorate it with a blue polymer clay around. And now add in some texture. And these movements allow me to adjust the shape too. And now we'll make a hole to make it possible to mount this pendant later. I also decided to add some decoration, like white little dots around. I'm pressing them a little bit to make sure they will stick to the polymer clay. Then I decided to add some golden shine using my oil pastel to make the glass pattern more visible. I cover the polymer clay base with it, avoiding places where the glass is stuck. And then I add some silver tone to the blue polymer clay around. After the baking, the pendant is done. I think this experiment went well. What do you think? If you liked this video and found it useful, please like it and subscribe to my channel to see more of those. And share it, I hope it will also bring joy to other people. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.